ইংলিছ এক্সাম ওচৰ চাপিছে ন, এতিয়া গোটেই বুকছখন পঢ়ি মেলি শেষ কৰাটো সকলোৰে বাবে সম্ভৱ নহয়, কিন্তু তোমালোকে চিন্তা নকৰিবা, মই তোমালোকৰ বাবে এটা স্পেচিয়েল মডেল পেপাৰ ৰেডি কৰিছোঁ। ইয়াত মই কেৱল কুৱেশ্যনেই দিয়া নাই, লগতে পেপাৰখনৰ ফৰ্মেটো বুজাই দিছোঁ। 2024 আৰু 2025 পেপাৰ এনালাইজ কৰি মই দেখিব পাইছোঁ যে কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন সদায় ৰিপিট হয়, আৰু আজি মই তোমাক সেইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন দেখুৱাম যিটো 2026 অহাৰ চান্স বহুত হাই। আহা তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ। ব'লা কুৱেশ্যন কেইটা চাওঁ। First question, Lencho's house was situated on the চাৰিটা অপশ্যন আছে। চাৰিটা অপশ্যনৰ ভিতৰত ইন দ্য চিটি, ক্ৰেষ্ট অফ এ ল' হিল, বটম অফ দ্য হিল। এনচাৰ কি হ'ব চোৱা, এনচাৰটো আছে ক্ৰেষ্ট অফ এ ল' হিল। ছেকেণ্ড কুৱেশ্যন, what did Lencho compare the large raindrops with? অপশ্যন এ চিলভাৰ কইন্স, অপশ্যন বি pearls, option C new coins, option D diamond, option C to answer, answer option C new coins. 3 number question, a plague of locusts would have left more than these. What does locusts mean? A herd of animals, option A, option B a swarm of insects, option C a flock of birds, option D a group of peoples. Right answer কি আছে? Option B a swarm of insects. Next question, the postmaster was fed fellow. Answer কি আছে? অপশন কিটা চাই লোৱা। অপশন কিটা আছে rude, amiable, lazy, selfish. Answer কি আছে? Amiable, option B amiable. Next question, Lencho's only hope was help from his sons, help from the postmaster, help from God, help from the villagers. Answer কি আছে? Option C help from God. Next question, apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their religion, language, race, gender. Answer কি আছে? Option C race. Next question, in life every man has obligations. Option A as a single, option B as a twin, option C triple, option D many. So answer কি আছে? Option B twin. Next question, according to Mandela, what is the country greatest wealth? Minerals and gems, its people, technology, mountains. Answer কি আছে? Option B its people. Next question, the spectacular array of South African jets was a display of military force, military's loyalty to democracy, hatred, wealth. Answer কি আছে? Option B military's loyalty to democracy. Next question, the ceremony's inauguration took place in the Union, option A আছে Union Buildings, amphitheater, rock garden, Parliament House, Supreme Court. Answer আছে right answer option A Union Buildings, amphitheater. Next question, 11 number question এটো, Coorg is situated between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Option A Mangalore, option B Bangalore, option C Cuddalore, option D Travancore. So correct answer is option A Mangalore. Okay, correct answer option A Mangalore. Next question, the first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa was a কি আছিল? অপশ্যন এ হৈছে কুৰ্গী, অপশ্যন এ কুৰ্গী, অপশ্যন বি শিখ, অপশ্যন সি বেংগালী, অপশ্যন ডি এছামিজ. Correct answer, correct option is option A answer কুৰ্গী, option A answer কুৰ্গী. Next question. Pranjal and Rajveer were students in a school in Assam, Delhi, Mariani, Coorg. Option B, answer Delhi. Next question. Tea was first drunk in India, Europe, China and America. So answer option C. Correct answer option C, China. Okay. Next question. What is the second flush or sprouting period of tea in Assam? March to April, May to July, October to December, August to September. Correct option B. Answer B. May to July. Next question. What did the crow shake down on the poet? Option A, leaves. Option B, dust of snow. Option C, water. Option D, fruit. Correct answer. Correct option B, dust of snow. Next question की है what does ice symbolize in the poem Fire and Ice? Option A is love. Option B, hatred. Option C, desire. And option D, anger. Correct option B, hatred. Okay. Next question की है the tiger is imprisoned in a option A as a forest, option B as a concentrate cell, option C as a garden, option D as a house. Correct answer की correct option 2 है option B, concentrate cell. Next question. The tiger stalks in a happy mood. His vivid stripes, the shadows of the forest. Next option is velvet quid. Correct option is B, his vivid stripes. His vivid stripes. Next question, 20 number question. According to Leslie Norris, the tiger should be lurking in option A as the cage, option B as a shadow, option C as the zoo, option D as the street. Correct option is option B, shadow. Okay. Next question. What is Amanda told not to do her soldiers? Option A as raise, option B hands, option C straighten, option D lower. Correct option is B, hands. Answer की hands. Next question. What would Amanda do if she were a mermaid? Option A, dance. Option B, drift blissfully. Option C, sing. Option D, run. Correct option B, drift blissfully. Next question. The poet Walt Whitman wants to live with option A, human. Option B, animals. Option C, plants. Option D, ghosts. Correct option is option B, answer option B, animal. Next question to us is हुआ in the poem Animals, the poet says they do not about their condition. Option A as a talk, option B as a sweet and wine, option C as a love, option D as a sleep. Correct option 2 is B, answer sweet and wine. Okay. Next question, 25 number question 2. Belinda lived in a little house. Option A blue, option B white, option C red, option D yellow. Correct option 2 is B, answer होगा white. Next question. The name of the little black kitten was Blink, Ink, Mustard, Custard. Correct option 2 is B, answer होगा ink. Next question to us है Griffin was a brilliant. Option A as a teacher, option B as a scientist, option C as a doctor, option D as a lawyer. Correct option 2 is a B, scientist. Next question. Griffin was rather a person kind, lawless, helpful, polite. Answer option B, lawless. Next question. What did Griffin do to the landlord's house in revenge? Option A, painted it. Option B, set it on fire. Option C, sold it. Option D, cleaned it. Correct option 2 is a B, answer, set it on fire. Next question. When the young lawyer reached New Mullion, he was excited, severely disappointed, very happy, angry. Correct option is B, answer, severely disappointed. Next question. The hack driver's name was Oliver Lutkins. Option B is a Bill. Option C is a Fritz. Option D is a Gustav. Correct answer to have Bill. Okay, correct answer have Bill. Next question. Who was actually Oliver Lutkins? Option A is the lawyer. Option B is the hack driver. Option C is a Fritz. Option D is a Gray. Correct answer, the hack driver. Next question. Grammar and vocabulary parts or pora. Okay. Choose the correct indirect form. My friend said to me, have you had your lunch? My friend asked me if I had my lunch. Or option B to say my friend told me if I had my lunch. Option A to hobo correct answer. My friend asked me if I had my lunch. 34 number question is use the correct tense. The sun rise in the east. Option A is rising. Option B is rises. Answer to hobo B, rises. Next question is 35 number question. Use the correct tense. We live in Guwahati since last January. Option A is lived. Option B is have been living. Correct answer to hobo option B, have been living. Next question. Change the voice. The glass was broken by someone. Option A is someone broke the glass. Option B is someone breaks the glass. Huddo to hobo option A, someone broke the glass. Okay. Someone broke the glass. Next question, 37 number question. Choose the correct preposition. Happiness, consist, contentment. Okay. Option A is of. Option B is in. Correct answer to hobo in. Okay. Next question. Choose the correct preposition. Shoes are made leather. From hobo na of hobo. Option B2 correct answer of hobo. Okay. Choose the correct determiner. I cannot give you. Choose the correct determiner. I cannot give you money. Okay, I cannot give you money. Option A is many. Option B is any. Answer to hobo option B, any. Next question. Choose the correct determiner. Of the boys has done his work. Every hobo ne each hobo. Option B hoise who the answer each. 41 number question. Choose the correct odd. My dash is very high. Option A is ideal. Option B is idle. Okay. Who the answer to is ideal. Option A. Next question. 42 number question. Combine sentences using relative pronoun. I often go to Mumbai. Mumbai is the commercial capital of India. Answer to above. I often go to Mumbai, which is the commercial capital of India. Question 3 is make negative without changing meaning. Man is mortal. Though to as a man is not immortal. Okay. 44 number question. What is the meaning of amiable? Though to is a friendly. 45 number question. MCQ last question है to which of the following describes the streets of New Million? Okay. Option A is a beautiful and clean, or option B is a muddy and house looked dull. Option B2 is a who the answer. Muddy and house looked dull. Okay. Next question. Next question. Why was Lencho angry when he received the letter? A letter to Godalpara. Question 2. Lencho was angry because he received only 70 pieces instead of the 100 pieces he had asked for. Okay. He believed that God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied him what he requested. He suspected that the post office employees had stolen the remaining money. Next question. What are the twin obligations mentioned by Nelson Mandela? Long walk to freedom or para? Answer. According to Mandela, every man has twin obligations. First, to his family, parents, wife, and children, and second, to his people, his community, and his country. Next question. What does courage mean to Nelson Mandela? Courage mean to Nelson Mandela. For Mandela, courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. A brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Next question. Describe the weather and people of Kurg. Glimpses of India, chapter opera. Answer. Kurg is a piece of heaven with evergreen rainforest, species, and coffee plantation. The people of Kurg are uh, fiercely independent, possibly of Greek or Arabic descent, and are known for their tradition of hospitality and bravery. 15 number question. What is the legend about the discovery of tea in India? Tea from Assam, chapter opera. The Indian legend says that Bodha Dharma and ancient Buddhist aesthetic cut off his eyelids because of felt sleepy during meditation. Then tea plant grew out the eyelids when the leaves of these plants were put in hot water and drunk. They banished sleep. Next question. Why did Valli wants to ride on the bus? Madam ride to bus chapter opera. Answer. Valli's strongest desire was to ride the bus that travelled between her village and the nearest town. Watching the bus and its new set of passengers every hour became a source of unending joy for her. Next question. What does the tiger do in his natural habitat? A tiger in the zoo chapter opera. Answer. In the wild, the tiger would be lurking in shadows, sliding through long grass near the water hole, waiting to prey upon plump deer. He would be snailing around houses at the jungle's edge. Next question. Why does Amanda want to be an orphan? Amanda chapter. Amanda is fed up with the constant instructions and nagging from her parents. She wants to be an orphan so she can roam the street freely, drawing pattern in the soft dust with her bare feet, enjoying the silence and freedom. Next question. How did Ozable get rid of Max? The Midnight Visitor Supra. Answer. Ozable invented a story about a non-existent balcony under his window. When there was a knock at the door, he claimed it was the police. Fearing the police, Max jumped out of the window, thinking there was a balcony, and fell to his death. Next question. Why was Horace Danby why was Horace Danby described as good and respectable but not completely honest? A question of trust pora. Answer. Horace was a successful lockmaker and a respectable citizen, but he robbed on safe every year to buy a rare and expensive books. This habit of stealing meant he was not completely honest. Next question. Describe the physical appearance of the hack driver. The hack driver opera. Answer. The hack driver was about 40, red-faced, cheerful, and thick around the middle. His working clothes were dirty and well on, but he had a friendly and agreeable manner. Section C. Give a character sketch of Bill Olivier Latkins, the hack driver opera. Answer. Olivier Latkins was a clever and manipulative man who lived in New Mullion. When a young lawyer came to serve a summons on him, Latkins introduced himself as a Bill, a hack driver. He was a red-faced, cheerful man of about 40. He was extremely smart and great talker. He took the lawyer all around the village to find Latkins. While he was Latkins himself, he even made the lawyer pay for the hack and lunch. He successfully fooled the lawyer by acting as a helpful and simple villager, showing his great presence of mind and sense of humor. Okay. নাইবা আৰু এটা কোৱেশ্চন দিয়া আছে অৰত আৰু এটা কোৱেশ্চন দিয়া আছে হাউ ডিড অজেবল outwit Max, the midnight visitors পৰা answer. Ozable was a secret agent who used his intelligence instead of weapon to defeat his enemy. Max, when he found Max in his room with a pistol, Ozable remained calm. He cooked up a story about a non-existent balcony under his window. Okay. He complained that it was the second time someone had entered his room through it. Just then, a knock was heard at the door. Ozable claimed it was the police. Fearing the police, Max jumped out of the window to land on the balcony. But since there was no balcony, he fell to his death. Next की आंसर 58 नंबर क्वेश्चन होता है ऐसे राइटिंग ए विजिट टू ए हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस तो ইয়াত তো এছে তো লিখা নাই জাস্ট ফরম্যাটটো দিয়া আছে প্ৰথমত তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশনটো দিবা যেনেকে এক্সাম্পল হিচাপে দিয়া আছে ইন্ডিয়া হ্যাজ এ মেনি হিস্টোরিক্যাল প্লেসেস লাস্ট ইয়ার আই ভিজিট শিৱসাগৰ ইন আসাম ডেসক্রিপশন লিখিবা I saw the Ranghar in and Karanghar. Ranghar is known as the amphitheater of the east. It was built by the Ahom kings. Yeah, just all of format to দিয়া আছে কেনেকৈ লিখিব লাগিব জাস্ট তোমালোকে এক্সপেন্ড কৰি লিখিবা আৰ্কিটেকচাৰ টু The structures are made of special bricks and organic paste. The Shivsagar Sila Pukhuri and the Shiva Dol are also magnificent. Okay, just yeah theory to answer conclusion diba. The trip was educational. It made me feel proud of Assam's rich heritage and the bravery of the Ahom ahom কি আছে ahom dynasty. Okay, next question কি আছে story writing এইটো 6 মাৰ্কৰ আহে the thirsty crow. Okay, তো কি লিখিবা outline দিবা outline দি a thirsty crow flies here and there, find a jar water at the bottom, cannot reach, finds pebbles, drops them one by one, water rises, drinks. It's just outline to the answer. Okay, and files away. কি কৰিবা টাইটেল দিবা মৰেল ষ্টৰি কি আছে যেনেকৈ লিখিব আছে জাষ্ট ফৰ্মেটটো দি আছে লিখি ল'বা লেটাৰ ৰাইটিং এইটো 4 মাৰ্কছৰ আহে টু দ্য এডিটাৰ ৰিগাৰ্ডিং ইৰেগুলাৰ ৱাটাৰ ছাপ্লাই অ'কে ফৰ্মেটটো চোৱা ফৰ্মেটটো কি আছে প্ৰথমত টু দ্য এডিটাৰ নিউজ পেপাৰ নেম গুৱাহাটী ছাবজেক্ট ইৰেগুলাৰ ৱাটাৰ ছাপ্লাই ইন যোনটো লোকেশ্যন আছে এইটো লোকেশ্যন দি দিবা বডি থ্ৰু ইয়ৰ এষ্টিমেট নিউজ পেপাৰ অ'কে estimate. I want to draw attention to the problem of irregular water supply in our locality. For the past 2 weeks we only get water for 30 minutes. It is causing great hardship to students and families. Conclusion diba. I hope the authorities will take immediate action. Your faithfully নাম লিখিবা আৰু সেকশন ইত কি থাকিব গ্ৰামাৰ থাকিব তোমালোকৰ 4 মাৰ্কছৰ গ্ৰামাৰ টেন্স কাৰেকশ্যন আৰু কি আছে এইখিনিয়ে লাষ্টত অলপ গ্ৰামাৰ থাকিব বাছ তো আজিৰ এইটো ভিডিঅ' ইয়াতে সমাপ্ত কৰোঁ